Hey there! If you're looking into Lunar, you've probably seen a few different account types. Today, we're diving into the details of the Lunar Standard Plan, the core offering that makes everyday banking simple and smart. So, what exactly is Standard? Think of it as your foundation for a modern financial life. First off, you get a digital-first bank account with a cool, minimalist design. The Standard Plan includes a physical Lunar card, which is of course fee-free to use for purchases both online and in stores. Crucially, in Denmark and Sweden, this means a free account with no monthly fees. That's right, zero monthly cost just to have your main account. But it's not just a basic account. Standard gives you full access to the Lunar app's core features. This includes instant notifications on your spending, easy-to-use budgeting tools to track where your money goes, and the ability to set up pockets for saving towards different goals. You can manage all your finances right from your phone, making it super convenient. A major benefit of the Standard Plan is how it handles transfers and ATM withdrawals. You can make instant domestic transfers for free. For cash, you typically get a few free ATM withdrawals per month, depending on your region. Check the current terms for the exact number, but it's designed to cover your occasional cash needs without the extra charges. Who is Standard best for? Honestly, almost everyone. If you're a student, a young professional, or just someone looking for a solid, no-nonsense bank account that won't charge you for the basics, Standard is the perfect starting point. It gives you all the essential tools you need to stay on top of your money without having to upgrade immediately. Now, if you want extra perks like unlimited fee-free withdrawals or advanced investment options, then you might look at the Plus or Pro plans. But the Standard Plan is the ideal gateway. It proves that high-quality, fully digital banking doesn't have to come with a hefty monthly price tag. It's simple, smart, and fee-conscious. Ready to see the difference a truly digital bank can make? Check out the link in the description to explore the full feature list for Lunar Standard in your country and open your account. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.